Model, 2016 Peugeot Boxer 335 L3 Diesel 2.0 BlueHDi H2 Professional Van 130 PS Spares OR Repairs Headgasket. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 133496. MOT, 17 February 2024. Engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none-runner, headgasket needs replacing, quick easy repair for the right person. Bodywork is bang on the money on this, worth putting the time to get this back to its former glory. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,495. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp